Thank you. Oh, I should have got that.
Look at that.
You killed the game with that one.
Look at that.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Alrighty, let me know if you guys need anything.
Okay. Thank you.
They killed the game with this. Cuzos, you fired. Cuzos, you fired.
No doubt. Where we at, Mr. No Good?
Oh man, we had just a bit of soul.
Where you at, Mr. No Good?
Right here, baby.
What you doing?
Chilling, man. I figured you go in the order, but I'm gonna go in with you. We had just a bit of soul on Plymouth and Fairley and Redford. We're gonna go in here and eat. We're gonna meet the chef.
Okay.
They say they're gonna accommodate us.
No doubt.
They want us to eat in. We might eat out. We don't know.
It's men amongst men. Okay.
Chef Ned.
Yes, and Chef Kim.
Mr. No Good.
Hey, Mr.
That's
No.
Nate Jones.
Nate Jones, how you doing?
Mike Jones.
Chef Ned.
Yes.
Mr. No Good.
And Chef Kim.
Chef Kim.
This is Mr. No Good.
I'm good.
So where your guys' menus at?
Right here.
Okay.
Absolutely. You want to tell us something about the establishment?
Sure. So it says Just a Bit of Soul, Breakfast Cafe. So the two of us came together. This was originally Just a Bit of Soul owner, Chef Kim. So we came together, Chef Ned, Chef Kim, and we developed the Breakfast Cafe. So from there, we have a lot of waffles. We try to do everything with the waffle iron, just to make it simple. We have a lot of #1 sellers, but my favorite is the Superman waffle.
Okay.
Mix, and then my other one is the banana pudding, and then I'm just saying, and then the pecan delight, the strawberry, all of it is.
All of it is your
and
favorite, huh?
The creamy grits.
I see you over there flipping them grits around. I know I gotta give me some of them.
So they're not your northern grits, they're the southern grits.
Okay.
Meaning?
Creamy. You know what I'm saying? Creamy and tasty. So you rarely have to add any seasoning unless you just that person that just like a lot of salt.
Sugar.
Oh my goodness. The sugar bandits.
It depends on.
They said all the right stuff. They said creamy, tasty, and sugar.
No doubt.
And then our catfish bites. Our catfish bites, and then we have our chicken bites as well. And then don't sleep on our fried lobster. So we had a great review before Red Lobster released their lobster tail.
Yeah, we didn't like theirs.
Oh, no. A lot of people, we got that. We have been getting the rave reviews. We got the rave reviews before Red Lobster released anything.
Okay. So you say the Superman waffle.
What is the Superman?
So it tastes just like the Superman ice cream, literally. And it's served with Superman cheesecake. And it's brown. I mean, so it's just that whole Superman delight. And in the near future, within the next 3 months, we will have our own version of the Superman ice cream. And it's nothing that you've ever experienced on the market.
Okay.
Okay.
Trying to go with.
I want to go with a Belgian waffle and some catfish bites.
Okay.
And some creamy
And
grits.
some creamy
I'm gonna do the
Absolutely.
same thing. I was
Same
thinking
thing?
that, y'all.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Would you like butter
On the side.
on the side?
Yeah.
Okay. Powdered sugar?
No.
No.
Any fruit?
Strawberry on mine.
Strawberry?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
How you want it?
Would you like anything to drink other than water?
What do you have?
We have watermelon, lemonade, and strawberry lemonade.
Watermelon.
Strawberry.
Strawberry?
Absolutely.
Okay, well, have be our guest and sit whatever you like, wherever you like.
All right. Appreciate it.
No problem.
Thank you. I don't know. I feel like this is a little ducked off.
That's nice though.
It is. If make this your little quiet place.
Yeah. Especially in the summertime.
Yeah.
Can they see me?
Of course they can see.
Yeah, I is.
Yeah, they was able to see.
Especially in the summertime. You got the people sitting out here at the patio, somebody riding by there, be like, oh, what is that? You know what I'm saying? It's catchy. It's nice, it's quaint, it's clean, it's quiet, they courteous. It's all good things so far.
We gonna see.
All good things so far. You got Chef Net and Chef Kim. And they trying to turn Just a Bit of Soul into a franchise.
Yes.
which is all right with me.
Yes, black on.
Black on.
We appreciate that.
Want to give a shout out to your homeboy Aaron
AG.
for introducing us to his cousin.
No doubt. No
Absolutely, we need that networking.
doubt. No doubt. We appreciate it, bro.
No.
How y'all doing?
How you doing?
Good. I have strawberry lemonade.
Yeah.
Thank you.
My name is Autumn and I'll be your servant, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you, Autumn. Thank you very much.
Not a problem.
Our server's name is Autumn. So check this
Show him
out.
this drink.
About to go on ahead and
Put it up to
this is
the
one of the
camera,
few
bro.
places I won't steal the straws. Check that out. You know what that means, but I ain't saying nothing.
What do you need?
I ain't saying nothing.
Some fireball?
I ain't saying nothing.
It would, a little shot in here wouldn't hurt nobody.
Oh man, that's awesome right there.
Good?
That is awesome.
Well, I'm glad you
Yeah, that's good.
That is awesome.
We'll be right up for you shortly.
Absolutely. That is awesome.
What you rate that drink, Mr. No Good?
I give this an 8.5. This out cold right here. This is nice. This is watermelon strawberry lemonade, and this is good.
I'd say this is about a 7.6. It's pretty good. Not too bad at all.
Don't look at me like you're expecting me to say something. I think you on some bullshit. I want some of that too. I'm gonna have to give me one of them. Don't offer it to me, bro.
I would.
Don't offer it. We ain't doing that. We family. That's as far as that shit go. You look like you was supposed to be generous.
No, I was about to see if you had something empty I could just pour it in. Like, I'm like, nah.
I'm good.
Yeah,
You be selfish today.
I'm always selfish.
Keep that
You
to
know what I'm
yourself.
saying? Oh yeah, that's good though. That's a good 7.6 for sure.
That drink was excellent.
He always trying to tell me how I rate my shit, but he say I'm supposed to tell him where to rate his shit. Come on now, stop it.
Too early in the morning for that shit. The catfish bite's gonna be good, man. I can tell.
We gonna be right back. I hope this camera ain't about to die. I thought I put it on charge. That was irritating.
We outside. That look
What you got
good.
over there, Mr. No
I
Good?
got Belgian waffles, catfish bites, creamy grits.
That thing look good right there.
Good. Your turn.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, I should have got that.
Look at that.
You killed the game with that one.
Look at that.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Alrighty? Well, let me know if you guys need anything, okay?
Absolutely.
Okay. Thank you.
They killed the game with this.
Mm.
Cuzos, you fired. Cuzos, you fired.
No doubt.
Franks.
Bring that thing on over here.
Yes, Lord. Salt and pepper. That was so good, I had to toast myself.
All right.
Napkins. Check it out, y'all. This is a napkin.
Okay.
I gave the drink a very high score.
Yes, he did.
Look at these creamy grits. Look at that. She say she brought the southern style to the north.
She said that.
Creamy and tasty. Give that a shot.
I'm about to kill this.
Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely.
There you go. Go ahead and take a look at that.
Yeah. Absolutely. All right, how about you?
Fine, don't hurt yourself.
I plan on it.
And I can't eat the waffle.
No.
I gotta lose it.
Okay.
I'm gonna lose 5 pounds and go back when I
You
come back.
lose 5 pounds and then come get you some waffles?
Yeah.
What you say about that, Mr. No Good?
These some of the best grits I've had in my life.
Wow.
I ain't lying.
They don't need no seasoning. They don't need
They don't need nothing.
You don't need to add nothing to them. No, if you like sugar on your grits, you can add some of that. You know, I like sugar on my grits, but I can eat these by themselves. Can't nobody. There's very few people who know how to make good grits, and these are some of the best grits I ever had.
Absolutely.
No doubt. I can't believe we agreed on something today.
They did that.
They did that for real.
So
We don't sugarcoat nothing for nobody.
They did that.
Go ahead now.
This is a regular Belgium waffle with no green shit in it. Look at that.
Yeah.
Got the powdered sugar on the other side.
Man, look at this waffle.
Look at that.
Look at this waffle. They put strawberries in. Oh my God, the cream is. I'm gonna eat it just like
it up. They did it. They did their thing. I like that. You know what?
Yo.
I think I might just rate this whole meal as 1.
I'm not.
You ain't got to.
I'm not.
We disagreeing.
I'm
Oh,
not.
my fault.
I'm gonna show y'all.
Look at that.
I'm gonna show y'all. He got a plain waffle.
I got a plain
Crazy
waffle.
They had so many different waffles. Superman, pecan,
banana.
oh my God.
But then they had Belgium.
The strawberries are fresh.
Yeah, they did this. They killed this.
What you rate? I know you rating all yours at once, but
Why you asking?
my bad, dog. My bad, nigga. But no, this right here, these waffles are 8.9. 8.9. Man. Hey G, you should have been told us about, man. What you doing, bro?
You fired.
You should have been told us about this.
Yeah.
Yo,
Taste this catfish.
this is good, bro.
That's golden brown. That's picture perfect right there. That is picture perfect. Now let me taste it.
This is good. This is good.
With no hot sauce.
What you say?
Look how flaky that is.
What are you talking about? 8.9.
I'm gonna tell you something about this meal right here.
Damn.
You don't really need nothing to drink to go with it.
It ain't salty.
You can sit right here
It ain't greasy.
and consume this entire meal without drinking nothing.
This is the spot that
You take your girl to impress.
Can I finish my
I'm
sentence?
sorry.
5, 4.
Damn. Anyways, this is the spot you come to that's ducked off that nobody really know about, but it's the secret spot, you know what I'm saying, where somebody be like, where can we go get breakfast?
Absolutely.
You come here and it's usually packed, and everybody who know about it. It's the shit. This is some place I come to, like, if my mama told me that let's go get breakfast, I'm bringing her here. All that O-Hop, IHOP, Denny's, forget about it. Come right here.
Absolutely. And they
Come right
open,
here.
they're right there on Plymouth and Farley, between Beach Daily and Telegraph.
This catfish.
The hours of operation are 10 o'clock
Yo,
to 2 o'clock.
they not playing in here. They serious.
Just a catfish with the Franks. I said I hope they got Franks. And that was one of the very first things that they brought out before I even had to ask him. I was just telling him.
Yeah. This right here, these catfish nuggets, they crispy, they golden brown. They got a nice flaky, oh man, they real good.
That's some good. You know what?
Another 8.9 for me.
I get this whole meal.
Go ahead now. Go ahead and do it then.
I give it a 9.5.
Damn.
This whole meal. Like I could eat this And if they was open a little bit later, I'd come back for lunch. If I lived over here, if I lived near, this would be my spot.
You don't stay that far.
Everybody in the world don't know what the fuck I stay, bro.
What is he talking about? He stay down the street. This nigga stay down the street.
They killed the game. I'm finna sit here and eat all this.
I'm about to eat all this. If y'all want to watch, y'all can.
Yeah, we're gonna do a full review through all this.
This is M.A.M. We appreciate y'all for watching. Please go to our Facebook page and hit the like button. Go on the Facebook page, hit the like button. Go on YouTube, subscribe to the channel. We appreciate it. We're trying to grow all this stuff. Go to spreadshirt.com/menamongstmen. Buy you a t-shirt. We need your help. We're struggling out here.
And when it comes to a bit of soul,
it's a bit of soul.
I don't want y'all to eat it at all. I want to eat it all by myself. And I want to eat it first.
No doubt, no doubt.
This is a delicious breakfast. Say flavorful for the people. You ain't said that in the last
man, this
couple
is super flavorful, man. It's flavorful all over the place. My taste buds don't know where they at right now.
This is delicious.
Oh my God. Yo.
I go home and take a nap.
I took a nap before I got here, so I'm good. I'm good.
This is definitely some place you bring somebody you trying to impress.
Wow, that's big, dog.
Definitely. I would bring somebody here to discuss a contract with. To sit outside in this ambiance and have food like this. Come on now. I'm glad we came.
This food is fresh.
This food is delicious.
Black owned, y'all. Come support. All these other restaurants that y'all going to, white owned and all that, y'all need to come mess with y'all people.
They killed the game with this.
This shit is good.
They killed the game with this. Robert Payne, you gotta come. To Just a Bit of Soul, my brother.
The hater?
The hater. He gotta come to this too.
The hater gotta come? Okay. Let me try this with some Franks. It's good, bro.
This food is delicious.
We did that.
Yeah.
We did that.
Once this is gone, I think I might want to eat this again.
I'm coming back.
Definitely.
I'm coming back.
Definitely. Oh, this is beautiful.
This is good. This is real good.
This meal is delicious.
I'm glad.
This is real good.
Those are tell the women. Those are some of the best grits I ever had in my entire life.
I am glad.
And the catfish bites.
These are the best catfish bites I've ever had.
I gave my meal a 9.5.
Okay.
And I've never given anything a 9.5.
Wow. Well, thank you so much.
Mm.
Okay, would you like me to take that for you?
Yes. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Mm. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
They did that.
Okay now.
I had no clue I was gonna enjoy this food as much as I do. Denny's shouldn't even be open.
Not with this food.
Not with this food.
We appreciate y'all for watching.
That's it.